Alright, students, let's take a practical example to understand the preference dividend clearly. We have a company called the ABC Limited, which has earned a profit after tax of 15 lakh in the year 2024. The company, here is the shareholding structure of the company, which we will discuss. It has 10,000 preference shares of $100 carrying a 10% cumulative dividend, and it has also 10,000 equity shares of $10 each. Point to be noted is that in the last year 2023, the company could not pay its preference dividend since these are the cumulative preference shares. That dividend could not be forgotten. It becomes arrears and must be paid this year before equity shareholders get anything. Based on this information, we are required to calculate the preference dividend for the current year. Arrears, since it is cumulative, the total preference dividend payable 2024, which will be the sum of these two, and the profit left for the equity shareholders. Let's calculate step by step. So the profit after tax, it is has been shown, it's 15 lakh, and the current year preference dividend would be our preference shares of the current year multiply, let's write down there 10,000 our preference shares, and it's $100 each, multiply by 100 and then multiply by 10% cumulative dividend. So 10 over 100 again. Let's add this value first. So we have 1 lakh our current year preference dividend. Arrears from the last year would be the same because it is the cumulative dividend and it will do as same as the last year. So the total preference dividend would be this year plus our arrears from the last year. So this is the 200,000 is our total preference dividend. So the profit left for the equity shareholders would be our PAT minus our total preference dividend. So this is our profit left for the equity shareholders, but preference shares are to say the preference dividends are always the skew, and it has the preference shareholders get their fixed 200,000 first, and the balance 13,000 belongs to the equity shareholder. This is the beauty of the preference dividend. It's because the safety first. Hopefully you have understood this problems. We will discuss main problems related to the financial management in our next videos. Goodbye for now.